I want to share with you my economic vision to grow our economy from the middle out and the bottom up, not the top down. Trickle-down economics is the belief that we should cut taxes for the wealthy and big corporations and expect it to trickle down to everyone else. That we should shrink public investment in roads, bridges, and water systems, airports, and public education. Well, when put into practice, trickle-down economics failed. It blew up the deficit, increased inequity, and weakened the infrastructure of America. And it made it harder for folks to get to the middle class. That's until now. It's about growing the economy by strengthening the middle class and making things in America again. We must make the wealthy pay their fair share, not cut taxes for the wealthy. It's about folks who've been calling this Bidenomics, and it's working. Bidenomics is just another way of saying restoring the American dream. Because when we invest in our people, from the middle out and the bottom up, not the top down, we see economic growth and benefits for all Americans. Folks, Bidenomics is working, and we're just getting started.